Hi, this video is to guide you how to change service type in Ecoplus. Now you can see we are in default table service. To change service type, first we click Tab on the top. Then select Settings. Click App Settings. Select Service Type, then choose the type you want. Now we click again the tab on the top. Here already changed to Quick Service. Now we show you how to change it back to default table service. Go to Settings. Select App Settings, then click Service Type. Here already changed to default table service. Thanks for watching.